maybe anything heavy, right? I start banging it on that floor, start banging it on that floor, like maybe. So this video is based on my GBPJPY trader yesterday. So the real time analysis, I made it in real time. I feel like you guys might probably do something to learn and gain from this video. You know what I'm saying? Because the way I did the analysis, like it was an in-depth analysis, you feel me, like from head to toes, right? Based from starting from the reading the market structure, the chart pattern, literally everything you might think of, like confirmations that you might need for you to take a trade. And trust me, this is a real-time trade, just like I said. You know what I'm saying? Like it is, you'll see, it is the before and after of the analysis, right? Like how I did the analysis and how it came to fruition. I invested so much effort and time on this video just to, to put it together and make it presentable, so without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So I'll catch you on the other slide. The market is bullish. What should we be aiming for? We should be looking for buying opportunities, like opportunities to go high, right? Like stuff like this. Okay, let me just get like this. Like if the market is bullish, we should just be looking for, if the market creates a higher high, create a higher low, another higher high, higher low, higher high. So the opportunity we'll be looking for to go higher is when the market is doing this pullback or correction. We can also call it correction, right? So it is only, we call it correction because it is not actually reversing. It just wants to correct that move, like sweeping any imbalance that is here, or whatever you like to call it, and touch this resistance that has become support now. Touch it, bounce from it, and continue going up. So that's why we say we only look for opportunity for the market to keep going on. Because if we should just examine the example I made here, right? You see this, when the market went up here, this reversal, it becomes a support for this price here, right? Let me just make this zone, zone, so to be blue. You see now resistance becomes support. Actually, if you guys don't know about resistance and support yet, I'll just make a video for that, because this video is mainly for just analysis on GBPJPY, what I personally am looking at, right? If you guys want me to make a perfect explanation about support and resistance or whatever, just comment down below in the comment section, you feel me? So you see, this is resistance becomes support here, and the price went up, so that's an opportunity for us to go high right here. Now the market comes down, it created another high here, which that becomes a resistance here now, right? Now when the price broke higher, right, when it broke higher from here, it became a support for the price to move up, and that's how we'll keep on looking at it. Now what we'll be anticipating again is whenever price comes here, we should do what? It should continue going up. We should do something like this, and that is just basically what market structure means, in case you don't know about market structure, right? So that's what we're looking at here. Like when the price is bullish, just keep looking for entry, like buying opportunities, right? And the only reason why you would look for selling opportunities is maybe the price does something like this. It fails to break higher, right? So maybe the price is kind of like the price came somewhere there, and from there it just drops down. It breaks this neckline. This is a neckline, right? Now it breaks this neckline. Now remember, I have a resistance here, I have a support here. Now what we'll be anticipating is for the price to retest that resistance, that support, that the support has not, this is the support. Now the support has not become resistance again and will drop lower. Then you see that's where the market's changed. Like here, you must have been hearing about like structure change, like the market structure has changed, right? Maybe this is the uptrend before, like the uptrend was going higher from here to here. Let me just drop this slide. The market was going higher from here. This is a bullish trend, right? This was a bullish trend until it broke this trend line. And I'm teaching something already, right? You feel me? I'm teaching something already, and you can see it's very accurate. This is a trend line, right? A valid trend line. This is the first trough, like the bottom, like it's touching the trend line, bouncing on the trend line. Here it breaks the trend line, and those are entry confluences for you, right, to go short, because this is more than 2 confluences already, right? This is more than 3 confluences actually, because the price has been bullish, right? Now it broke that trend line here from here. Now we have okay, let me just use this arrow. The price has been bullish, right? It's been bullish going up. Now it broke this trend line. It failed to make a higher high, right, and broke this structure, dropped down here. Now it broke the structure, right? Now that's a change in trend, right? That's the first, but you won't use that. That's just a confluence, but you won't use that actually as your as all the confirmation you want, like because it broke a structure. That means it just want to drop from there. No, so that's the only reason why you have to just start looking for sell, because it's giving you a sell vibe, right? So the market will continue doing stuff like this and continue dropping, and that's all called the downtrend, because the price is going down already, forming multiple low, forming multiple lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, lower high, and stuff like that, blah blah blah. So when the market, just remember this, like just keep this with you, right? When the market is in an uptrend, right, just look for buying opportunity, and when the market is in a downtrend, just look for buying opportunity. You feel me? Oh, when the market is in an uptrend, just look for buying opportunity. But when the market is in a downtrend, look for selling, like look for shorting opportunity. You feel me? So now going back to the charts, right? It's gonna GBPJPY. Example, perfect example of what I told you, right? You see that when price go here, if you should draw this zone, if you should drop something, draw this box from here to here. You see, this is serve as a this was something as a resistance before. Now it broke that structure and broke higher, and now it's just retesting this place, testing the support, retesting this resistance as a support. Now the market moves higher, and if we should go lower, there should be opportunity for a buy from year to years, even obvious, like that's a double bottom right there. So that's a double bottom right there.
Yeah, boy.
From here, so and you would have just gotten out here. Pretty much simple, right? Pretty much simple. And you caught about that's a 1 to almost 4, right? Let me even 1 to 4. Let's go low. This trade is not realistic though, you know. Let's get about 28 pips for 106 pips. Because I personally, I don't risk more than maximum 10 pips or 15 pips. But this one now, like just one example, you feel me? It's just one example, you know what I'm saying? So now let's just go back to the main business, right?
Khatam. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye. Gaya.
What I'm looking for right here is how to short selling opportunity, because why? You know, the market has been banging on this. It's been banging on this trend line now, and I think it will be weak. And just take for an example, imagine you know, this support, like the price coming from above, right? The price coming from above should buy coming from above to touch this trend line should be a support. Should be a support for the price, right? Where the price will touch and go back up. But now look at what is happening. The market is just been, you know, just be vibrating, just be ranging on the trend line. You feel me? So a perfect example is, you know, a ground or a floor. A perfect example is a ground or a floor is like a support, right? We humans, we stay on top. You feel me? Now imagine someone take a hammer or maybe anything heavy, right, and start banging it on that floor, on that floor, like maybe, and no matter how strong it is, right? If the bang is heavy, or maybe the tool he's using to bang that floor is heavier, right? Just some number, a couple of bang, and that floor will break, like and it will start, and there will be like, it's just like anything will be free to pass down, just go down, right? And that is a perfect example of what's happening here. Like the market has been banging on the trend line. You see, this is the one, this is first one, second one, third, and multiple touches, right? So it will be so it's not actually done, because it's not actually done. Let me just go straight to the point, you know. Because if I should say I want to go high from here, if I want to go buy out, like I want to buy from here, different people, different perspective. But my own perspective this morning, my own perception is telling me to, you know, to go short, right? My own instinct. That's what my instinct is telling me, you feel me? So to go short, so that's it for that. And if I should go to, let me just draw this from here to, just draw it anyhow. Just make sure it have, for a trend line to be valid, just make sure it have multiple touches, at least 2 touches, right? Maybe from the top or from below, just make sure it have multiple, at least 2 touches. Yeah. So now you should see this. I'll see this as a head and shoulder. I'm seeing something inversely now as a head and shoulder. If you can look at chart patterns, this looks like a head and shoulder to me. If you, yeah, this is the first shoulder. This is the first shoulder here. Price came down here and created the head, which is the neck. So now price broke the neckline, came back to create the second shoulder, and price is dumping. You feel me? And one thing I notice is, this is just a bonus for you guys, right? You know, it's a bonus for you guys. If you guys notice, whatever measurement a shoulder to neck give you, it most at time give you same movement. So let's just mark this place. Okay, no, I don't even have to mark it. Same movement, same move for the drop. Oh shit. Okay, how do I do that? Let me just keep this here, right? Like that's the length of the market to move before it reverse or maybe slow down. You know what I'm saying? So now the price is giving us, so let's say here now, so the price will probably come down to this place before it goes back up, or maybe start doing whatsoever, right? But right now I think the price will probably get down to this place. So now I think I've explained, give a brief explanation about head and shoulder, just in case for those people who don't know about head and shoulder, right? So now I'll be looking for an example. I'll be looking for opportunity, shorting opportunity from here, and let me see if I'll see one. Let me see if I'll see one. So I'll just draw this just drop this box here, you know, try to connect the support, resistance, blah blah blah, everything here. Just basically the little example I showed you there, you know. So I'll just drop it here, right? And if I should extend that here again, you see this is another resistance here. So this is a support. So that is definitely a valid, it should become a valid resistance for this price, for what we're looking at here, right? You know what I'm saying? So what I'll be anticipating is, you know, I'll be expecting price should drop from here. Maybe the price should just retest, break lower and just retest. It has already cracked the resistance, right? And this is another perfect example for the trend line break I was actually explaining to you guys. You know, now the same thing exact, like you can apply something to the support. Now the price has been banging. You see, look how this place, look how this place, the price has been banging on this support now, and it has broke it, right? But it has just been reversing up. But right here, I don't think the price will go up. I think the price will just drop from here. So this support is weak. This is very weak already, so it will make no sense for me to say, okay, I want to go short and like I want to go high from here. You feel me? So I'll be looking for a shorting opportunity from
2,000 years later.
Seeing price come back here, I already know that it will definitely drop, so your stop loss should slightly be above there. You know, I talked about it a couple of hours ago when I was saying that I don't take trade higher than maybe 10 pips or maybe 15 pips. You feel me? So this one is just 13 pips right here. So and it aimed for 59. That is almost 60, or if you just say 60 pips, you know, risking 13 pips for 60 pips, that is a whole 1 to 4. So on this trade now, if you are risking about $5, yeah, sorry, if you're risking about $50, you would have definitely made over $200, right? Risk $50, like extra $200. So your equity should be at $250. You know, the overall profit, right? The risk and the profit will be $250, right? So that's all for this video, right? I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure you like, you comment your thoughts, or maybe whatever you want me to address or talk about, you feel me? And make sure you subscribe, you know what I'm saying, and also share to other people. So that's all for now. Catch you guys on the other video.